Welcome to the Affincome Training Kit Chapter 16. How to find low competition keywords for your affiliate blog. In this video, we will see how to find low competition keywords for your affiliate blog, step by step. So let's get started. So we are on ubersuggest.com and here we searched for monocular telescope and below we get all the keyword ideas. Here we also have a related keywords tab to search for related keywords. Click on it to see a full list of related keywords. Then we have questions. Now to apply the filter, click this filter option and here you are able to filter 30 results only or for more, upgrade your account. Here you can include keywords, exclude keywords, search volume, CPC, SEO difficulty, and below we have more keywords ideas. Let's enter the SEO difficulty to 40, and search volume to 100, and apply filter. So now you get all the related filtered results. Let's open the first one and here you can see full info about it on right. Now let's copy this keyword and paste it in the search bar and search. Here you can see that SEO difficulty is much less. These results are in questions, so now we will move to suggestions, and here are all the suggestions results. Now go to Amazon, and from here, go to bestsellers and here you get all the bestsellers products. So let's open one from here, and copy the product's name and paste it on ubersuggest.com and search. So this is how you can find low competition keywords for your affiliate blog. Thank you for watching. Please proceed to the next video, Chapter 17. How to find best domain name ideas. In that video, we will see how you can find the best domain name ideas, step by step. See you in the next tutorial.